Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Now we're writing alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and the next one is O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.